If you have a house in Northwood, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Northwood, Ohio, all over the Toledo area, and all over the whole state of Ohio. So in this video, I want to share with you why so many sellers in Northwood prefer to sell to us as a direct buyer, and the number one reason is we keep it very easy and convenient for you, and what allows us to do that is we're an as-is buyer. So there's no bank involved, there's no mortgage company involved. We're a true as-is buyer and a cash buyer, and we're going to buy the house as it sits. So you don't got to fix anything, you don't got to clean anything, you don't got to haul anything away, you don't got to hire a handyman, you don't got to go to the Home Depot or clean or anything like that. It's a true as-is purchase. We don't care if the house has been sitting vacant, we don't care if it's already occupied by tenants, whatever the case may be, we're going to get this thing done for you. There's no formal approvals or inspections or no formal appraisals or anything like that. We keep it very simple for you, and we keep it very fair. We've been buying houses in Northwood and Toledo and all over the great state of Ohio. We have hundreds of reviews and testimonials, so it's worth it just to see what we could do for you, right? We're going to treat you very fair, and it's not going to be a high-pressure situation. So if you have a house in Northwood, you'd like to at least see what we could do for you, we'll get you a cash offer. Contact us today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. It says Columbus in the website, but we're very active in Toledo, in Northwood, and all over the whole state of Ohio. So when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. Just so you know, no pressure, no sales tactics, no gimmicks. We just need to know more about the house and know more about your timeline. You have all the control. The ball is in your court. You tell us when you want to close. And from there, we'll make you a fair cash offer. If it works for you, great. If not, no crime, no foul. We are not a call center. We would gladly come meet you. But a lot of times, we could just work together over the phone. We'll get this thing done. We'll send our basic inspector through there. Nothing formal. It's very easy. And we're going to get this done for you just like we've done with hundreds of other people. So if you've got a house in Northwood, we'll get you an offer. Pick up the phone. Give us a call today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.